Namaste. We'll be doing some exercises for PCOD today. The people who have seen my last video on PCOD must be practicing those exercises. So we'll go a little advanced to that. If you haven't watched that till now, the link is there in the description box. So you can watch that video and practice. We'll be doing a few further exercises that will help you to cure PCOD, PCOS, fibrosis, blockages in the fallopian tubes, a healthy uterus. If anyone has endometriosis, it will help recovering that also. So let's do some exercises for PCOS. Starting with butterfly. Joining your feet together, keeping it very close to the body. Pull it in and lean forward, expanding your chest. Look forward at your eye level, little high up, and move your knees down and up, down and up, down and up. All those exercises we'll be doing will stimulate the ovaries and the reproductive organs. The ladies who find it difficult to conceive, these exercises will especially be good for them also. Keep moving the knees down and up, down and up, down and up, bigger. In starting, you can do 60 to 100 butterflies and slowly raising it to around 500. It's a very effective exercise to stimulate the pelvic area. Relax. Let's lie down flat on the back. Lying straight flat, legs together. Let's open your arms parallel to the shoulders. Raise your right leg straight high up, dropping it down to the left, then raising it up, dropping it down to the right. Right to left, left to right. Keep moving. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, knees straight. Exhale down, toes pointing up. Keep moving. You can start with 15 right, 15 left, gradually raising them to 25 to 30. Last two, 1, and last. Come up and gently drop it down. Let's repeat the same other side. Raising the left leg up, drop it down right first. Raise it up, twisting your back minimum, then dropping it down. Right to left, left to right. Inhale up. Exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, other leg is straight, remember. Last one. And last other side. Come up, gently come down. Take your hands forward, close to the thighs this time. We'll do a reverse V this time. Inhaling, raise your both legs up. As you exhale, drop your legs down, taking them apart. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. You can start with 10 to 15, gradually raising them up. Last 3, 2, last one. Relax. Breathe. Slowly turning to the side. Let's come in the cat pose now. Knees under the hip region, palms under the shoulders. Let's drop your elbows and forearms down one at a time. We'll do the leg raises back side. Let's raise the right leg straight up, making it high up, maximum high. Then drop it down. Raise it up, dropping it down. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep going. Last one. Relax. Easy. Let's go left side now. Raising the left leg up. Take it down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Relax. Easy. Let's come up on the palms. Let's do the leg rotation. Knee and foot rotating clockwise and counterclockwise. Let's do the knee and foot rotations out to the side. Raising the left knee and the foot up. Start rolling it big. Inhale up. Exhale down. Raise it high up. Keep rotating. Starting with 10 rotations, you can increase it to 20 to 25 maybe. Three more. Two. Last one. Easy. Relax. Let's go counterclockwise now. Raise it up and start rolling. Bigger. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Two more. Last one. Easy. Let's change the side. Let's go right side now. Raise it up and roll it big. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Uncha uncha. High up. Three more. Two. Last one. Easy. Let's go counterclockwise. Raise it up and roll. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last two. And last one. Easy. Let's change the side again. Starting with left leg. Taking the left leg 90 degrees out on the ground. Now we will be making big half circles. Raising the left leg up, dropping it down right to left, left to right. Inhale up, exhale down. Let's go. Inhale, raise the leg up, drop it down. To the right, right to left, left to right. Keep moving. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Three more. 3, 2, 2, 1, and last. Easy. Let's go right side now. Take the right leg out to the side. Raise it high up and drop it down to the left. Left to right. Right to left. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, and last. From center. Relax. Breathe. Let's do the frog now. You need to come in the cat pose again. Raise your knees maximum wide. Feet will remain just backside of the knees only. Push them maximum wide. Then taking your hands forward. Drop elbows down. Drop your chest down. Pushing your hands further forward. Open your knees a little more wider. Look forward, chin down. Hold it there. Toes pointing back. Pressing your lower abdomen down on the mat. Breathe. You may hold it for half a minute, gradually raising it to 40 to 60 seconds. Slowly pull your hands fast, palms under the shoulders, take your feet in, pull the knees in, slowly roll up. Let's lie down on the stomach, please. Open your arms parallel to the shoulders. Let's raise your right leg straight high up. Drop it down to the left. Let's hold the left ankle, right ankle with the left hand. Push it away and look at your right side. Make sure your left leg is straight and toes pointing out. Hold. Keep pushing the right leg away from the body to the left side. Keep looking at the right side, turning your head to the right. Breathing is deeper. Keep holding. Let's leave the leg, raise the leg up, drop it down. Let's go with left leg now. Raising the left leg up, drop it down to the right. Holding the ankle with the right hand, push it away. Turn your head out to the left. You need to push the leg so much away so you feel the pressure coming at the lower abdomen and the pelvic area, this area. Breathing is deeper. You should be holding this posture for around 30 seconds. You can raise it to 45 to 60 seconds.
More carrots. Don't tear it.
Leaving the ankle, raise the leg up
More carrots.
and gradually take it down. Let's turn on your back now.
Here come from the west side.
We'll do Sarvangasana.
Left side.
Let's raise your both legs up, slowly inhaling. Raise your back also. Support your back with your hands.
Drives
Then open your legs maximum wide. Then go cross with the legs, wide open, crisp and cross. Once your right leg is forward up, next time the left one is up, forward.
Don't
Keep
fry,
moving.
don't fry, don't
Open
fry.
and cross, open and crisp.
Break.
Opening the legs maximum wide. Last 2, 2, 1. Last.
Carrots.
Bending your knees. Gently come down. Relax.
Carrots. Where's
Easy. Shavasana for a while. Feet apart. Arms a little away from the body. Both palms facing up. Relax for a while.
carrots? Side.
Let the circulation of blood go normal.
Left side. The right brain
Let's do the fish pose now. Matsya Asana.
drives me.
Join your feet together. Take your hands close to the body, pressing your elbows down. Gently release and raise the shoulders up, pushing your chest upwards. Take the top of the head down on the mat. Making a namaste. Raise your both hands forward up. Hold it there. Keep looking up. Keep pushing your chin back. The same exercise will stimulate the thyroid gland. Would stimulate the thyroid gland and will strengthen the neck also. You can do it for around half a minute.
More carrots. Don't tear it.
Slowly dropping your hands down.
Carrots. Where's Garrett?
Gently using elbows, release your head. Gently turning to the side. Let's sit straight up. Sit in a comfortable posture. So we did 10 fresh exercises for PCOD, PCOS. It will remove the blockages from the fallopian tubes. It will keep your uterus healthy. It will keep you away from fibrosis, endometriosis. If some ladies are finding it difficult to conceive, it will help those ladies also. I know you people are watching my videos a lot, but still you're yet to like, subscribe and share my videos. Please press the bell icon also to get all my videos at first. As I told you that we are doing this series on PCOD, so we made a video earlier also. So if you did not watch it yet, the link is there at the I button and same time at the description below. Please watch that, practice these exercises also. That will surely help you to come to your normal life. It will take care of your periods also. Some ladies have excessive bleeding, some ladies have less bleeding, some ladies have extended periods and some ladies are getting it earlier. So it will balance everything. I wish you a very good health. Thank you so much.